carbonyl compounds. Aldehyde and ketone are called carbonyl compounds. It is an aldehyde. It has one double bond oxygen and hydrogen. Aldehyde. It is ketone. It has one double bond oxygen and two alkyl groups. It is ketone. In aldehyde, functional group has 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. In ketone, functional group has 1, 2, 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, and it has 0 lone pairs. Totally 3 sigma bonds plus 0 lone pairs indicates it is sp2 hybridization. And here also total sigma bonds and 0 lone pairs, total 3, indicates sp2 hybridization. Both the functional groups are in sp2 hybridization, and it is trigonal planar geometry. Both the functional group has trigonal planar geometry, and bond angle is 120 degrees. It is the basic information about the aldehydes and ketones. And next, aldehydes and ketones exhibit some isomers. In isomers, both aldehydes and ketones exhibit chain isomers. Chain isomers has different in their carbon chain. And for example, aldehyde, I am taking with 4 carbons aldehyde. It is butanol. Butanol. Al is the suffix of the functional group. But indicates it has 4 carbons, and it can be written as isobutanol. Isobutanol. In this compound, straight carbon chain has 3 carbons, and 4th carbon is present on the 2nd carbon. It indicates it has one branching at 2nd position. And here 4 carbons are present in straight line. Here 3 carbons are present in straight line. That is the difference in carbon chain. Then these are chain isomers. Similarly, ketones also exhibit chain isomers. In straight chain carbon, there is a 5 carbon atoms. It can be also written as 3-methyl butanone, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 2 compounds, ketonic functional group has 5 carbons in straight line, 4 carbons in straight line. That is the difference in the carbon chain. Then aldehydes and ketones both exhibit chain isomers. It is about the chain isomer. And next one, functional group isomers. Functional group isomers indicates, I am taking for example C3CH2 C double bond OH. C double bond OH indicates an aldehyde, and it can be also written like this structure. Here C double bond O containing 2 alkyl groups, it is ketone, and it is CH2 double bond CH OCH3. Oxygen has 2 alkyl group, it is ether, and CH2 double bond CH CH2OH. Due to OH group, it is alcohol. Here this compound has molecular formula containing 3 carbons and 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. And this also has C3H6 CH3 plus 3 6 and 1 oxygen. These two compound has the same molecular formula, but in this structure due to C double bond OH it is an aldehyde. In this structure C double bond OH containing ketone, same molecular formula with a different functional group, that is the functional group isomers. Aldehydes, ketones, ethers, alcohols includingly exhibits isomers, but ether and alcohol there must be a one unsaturation. It is unsaturated ether, it is unsaturated alcohol. Let us see this molecule. It has also 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, containing hydrogens 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen atom. See, it is also both has same molecular formula but different functional group. And let us about alcohol C3H2 3 4 5 6O. These 4 compounds has the same molecular formula C3H6O, but one of the structure is aldehyde, another one is ketone and ether and alcohol including functional group isomers. And next one, metamerism. Metamers. Metamers are the chain structural position including structural isomers. So I am taking this compound and another compound is this one. First compound has 5 carbon atoms and to the functional group left side 2 carbon atoms ethyl, right side also 2 carbon atoms ethyl with the same molecular formula. It has a molecular formula CH3 CH2, here just C, here CH2 CH3 groups are present, and here also CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 groups are there. For this functional group, left side is methyl group CH3 and right side 3 carbons propyl groups are present. Metamers are the isomers having same molecular formula. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there with same molecular formula. But this functional group has here both side ethyl, whereas in this compound functional group has one side methyl and other side propyl. Different in their alkyl group bonded to functional group are called metamers. That's why ketones only exhibits metamers, but aldehydes cannot exhibit metamerism. And this is about the exhibiting of isomers and aldehydes and ketones. And next one, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. For this preparation, first preparation is from alkenes. From alkenes, this reaction is ozonolysis reaction. It is ozonolysis reaction. In ozonolysis, there is a unsaturated compound. To this unsaturated compound, it is react with ozone followed by zinc and acetic acid, gives the products. So about the products, we can write the product in ozonolysis. Break this double bond, add both sides 1 oxygen. This CH2 part by adding 1 oxygen converted to CH2O, that is formaldehyde, and this part also converted to CH2O, formaldehyde. These are the products obtained in ozonolysis. In ozonolysis, I am taking CH double bond CH2 with the same reagent, and here also basic rule is break this double bond,